everyone, I'm Amalia, and I've been working with hair extensions, hair pieces, and wigs for over 20 years. I just love the way they make a woman feel their best. So I'm going to show you some insider secrets and some pro tips that I've picked up along the way behind the scenes to teach you how to work with your products at home and look fabulous. So the first thing I do when I get some hair is I like to kind of make it feel like it's mine. We're gonna brush it out. We're gonna give, it a little bit of life. Think about it like you're really taking the time to get to know this girl, okay? She's yours, you're making it yours. I like to brush it out, and then if the curl is a little too much for what I'm going for that day, these hair pieces are so awesome. You can use an iron up to 320 degrees on it. And I'm not gonna get too crazy. I'm just gonna kind of slide the iron through it a little bit so it just calms down the curl to a little bit more of a relaxed wave. And if I want it to be really curly still, then, Tressallure gave you a hand up there. So you don't have to worry about that pre-styling biz. The next thing is, first of all, let me show you how awesome this hair piece. This is a 3/4 piece wig. There's 3 clips on the top and 2 clips on the bottom, and there's 2 ways that you can use this bad boy. You can either, if you have short hair, this is a really good way to hide your little hairs underneath here, so you can tie it up in the bottom. Or if you have really long hair like I do and you want more of a tight, finished, chic look, then you're just gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna show you how to do it on the bottom. You're gonna clip these on the top of your head and then these on the underneath, and done. If you wanna accentuate your hair, make it thicker and fuller, you can actually just leave your hair out and clip these on the top and the bottom, and it actually brings more volume because it's pushing the bottom of your hair forward, and it's giving you all that like yummy, juicy, big, hot hair vibes. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just gonna get in there and show you how to do it. First thing is you wanna section the top of your hair out of the way. These guys are kind of what's gonna lay on top of the hair piece and blend with all of your hair. You wanna give yourself as much width in the back as possible on the top. I'll show you what I mean. Then I'm going to section the forward of my hair. The look I'm going to go for today is a little bit more of a shorter, chic look. So I'm going to tie up the bottom of my hair. So I'm pulling everything from the front of my ear forward, and everything that's in the back and the nape of the hair is going to get tied up into a little bun. And I'm just gonna pin it into place. You can use these bobby pins. I just want you to do what works for you and what's easy. Then I take this hair piece. It's really easy to get security by starting with the middle piece. So I'm going to take it behind me, clip the middle piece, then bring it forward, clip in the side, clip in the other side, and then the bottom has 2 clips. You can literally just clip into your bun, and it really fits perfectly right at the bottom nape of your neck. Then I'd let my hair down, and bam. That's it. How easy was that? And I used the darker piece so it accentuated my mid-shaft color. I got a shorter look now. I'm getting a little bit of a more, finished look. And it was that easy to create a little bit of versatility, a little bit of change, and you can do it too.